Good afternoon, guys. Right now in this video I'm going to explore the Zautala Pochuakali, which is one of the most attractive place of the Pochuakali, and I am on the Rishka, and you can say tuk-tuk, Rishka, or whatever you want you can say. I just watched some sort of video and from another country blogger. They say tuk-tuk, like in wherever you go with transport like Rishka or CNG, they say tuk-tuk, but that is not tuk-tuk, that is called Rishka. I'm just gonna make sure you that. And right now I'm just gonna go to the Zautala, which is another fascinating and incredible place. And look at this behind of me. This is probably the Pochuakali Government College, and I supposed to get admit here, but I didn't get admit here because of some reason. So keep watching this video, guys. I am on the Rishka right now, and I'm just gonna go to the Zautala, which is one of the most attractive place of Pochuakali city. Look at this, guys, the Rishka, which is Rishka pullers are really hard-working person. All the Rishka pullers are really hard work. They do hard work the whole day. And this is the road of the Pochuakali here, guys. And this is maybe, what is this? Pochuakali Government College. Okay, look at this. This is the campus of Pochuakali Government College. I don't know how much you can hear me. Oh, I have to go this way. Oh, the road is so tiny here. There is some grocery shop, some hotel here. Oh, there is a very tiny road here. And where I go, left or right? Oh, look at this. Oh my God. This is a kind of tiny road that we can see very often in Dhaka city. But in Pochuakali, this is rare. Oh, this is a tuk-tuk here. Maybe we are in very close to the restaurant here, and we are in very close to the what is called the place name? Zautala. Okay, we are in the very close to the Zautala. Maybe look at these guys over there. Maybe this is called Zautala. Oh, it's maybe kind of museum or park. Oh, park. Look at these guys. Sheikh Russell Shishu Park. Looks really amazing. This one is Zautala, right? Okay, we are very close to the Zautala. There is not much people. There is not crowded place here. And this is the road across of Zautala. And this is how tree of Zautala. Oh, look at these guys. Oh, what is called?
Selfie road.
Look at these guys. This is called selfie road that I never seen before, and I watched this place before on like kinda some YouTube video, and some bloggers explore this sort of road. This is called selfie road, and some bloggers and YouTubers explore these roads. But I didn't come here, never ever come here before, and I'm just gonna show you the selfie road. Okay, look at these guys. This is really amazing, and this is really different, and looks really great. And there is no one come here, although the place is really great. Maybe the time zone is not suitable for camp here. Maybe if I come here in afternoon, I can see so many people, so many couple, so many like a group camp here and standing here within a beautiful street. Look at this beautiful diagram in Bangla, Sheikh Muhammad and Sheikh Hasina. Oh, look at this bus. Sheikh Hasina Cantonment Public School and College. Where is located in this college? Oh, you don't know? Okay, no worries about it. Oh, prime sweet and food. Okay, I'm just gonna embark here. Look at these guys, and here is my friend, and I'm just gonna pay to the Rishka puller. Okay, how much price? Okay, look at these guys. So let's check out another street food of Zautala Pochuakali. It says it's maybe probably slightly different, and look at this. It's completely different, and we have a onion as well as Chanachur and green chili, spicy, and different sort of oil mixing by they make this fresh food. It's completely different. I never seen before in this area in Zautala, so I'm just gonna check it out. I want to have 20. How much is this price? Okay, I want one piece of Oh, this food. Okay.
Lots of sauce.
Okay, let's have a look. What is this? Oh my god, it's slightly different and it's kind of a smoke or something like that. So here is a okay, right. So there is also another fast food which is called pani puri, which is most popular of Bangladesh. We can see all over the Bangladesh on the street or everywhere if we go, wherever we go, we can see pani puri and puska. This is the most popular street food of Bangladesh. I will check out another street food a few moments later in here. So the first check out it. We have a good decoration of onion as well as maybe probably cucumber here guys, and green chilies they cut here, and I'm just waiting for this. So let's check it out. Okay, so let's check it out. We have a spoon. This is a kind of spoon which is made by a paper. Look at this. This totally different from no in any other country. We can't see this kind of unique spoon. This is a totally different. It's completely different in Bangladesh. This is a paper, but we use it as a spoon. So let's check it out. Here we have a spicy, I mean a green chilies as well as chanachur and onion.